So this is the chicken coop I just finished building, or as I like to call it, the dinosaur coop. And come over here and see how chickens have a pretty wide variety of genetic variation. And there are red ones and white ones and more, not to mention lots of different sizes and shapes. Oh. And if you look closely, you'll see there's a lot of traits that they share in common with dinosaurs. Especially their eyes. Birds have a special set of bones inside their eyes known as the sclerotic ring that dinosaurs also had, which makes their eyes so good at seeing prey. Some reptiles related to dinosaurs also share this trait too. And you could see them really well on this Velociraptor. And another important shared trait is their bones. Dinosaurs like this Allosaur and Tyrannosaur were pretty big. So were their giant relatives, the large sauropods. And they were able to support all that weight and still be fast because they had hollow bones, just like chickens. We have lots of evidence of this in their fossilized bones. One of the things that distinguishes animals like dinosaurs and birds from other animals is the fact that they have feathers. You see, this one even has feathers on his legs. It's thought that feathers may have evolved from some type of scale, much like the scales on this viper. And of course, one thing that really makes dinosaurs just like birds is their eggs, or their eggshells. These are all reasons why a modern-day Chickenosaurus is possible. Now with the Chickenosaurus, just imagine a regular chicken, but with teeth and a long tail and maybe fewer feathers. This is how the Chickenosaurus might look. Pretty scary if you ask me, but he might make a fun pet.